Guys, we're going to start taking some of this hardware that we jazzed all up and made nice, and frames we painted, and engines we got going, and front wheels we completed, and fork tubes that we did. We're going to start putting some of this together and start putting a structure together we can start hanging parts on. Once you get a front end on a frame and you suspend that frame on a suspension system on a stand, the rest of the bike's just, routine maintenance at that point. You're just hanging parts on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the forks slid up into the triples and get the front wheel clamped down and show you how we start putting the chassis together here. I don't know a good way to do this. Where am I going to put you? How about I put you over here? Where's a good spot? That's a good spot right there. Caliper on the left side of the dirt bikes. We got this loose so it can slide. You compress the front end. You don't want your fork leg out here, and you don't want it pushed in all the way, dragging the rotor. So you leave this loose. Hear that jiggling? That's loose. Compress this. Let that fork leg find that natural plane where this will settle, and then torque it. It's not it either. Well, we're going to hang it on the screwdriver just so we can start moving forward. We're going to hang the engine on that screwdriver. And this is our rear axle. So this is our swing arm pivot. Now when I put this in the final time, this will get greased. I don't just mean sprayed with lube, I mean greased. Because if you all saw the teardown video, I had to cut the old one out. I bought this on eBay as replacement. But this will get actually physically greased. So a year or two or whenever I pull this out again, we won't have that trouble. But for tonight, I'm just hanging the engine where it goes.